Yeah, morning all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Yes. Fine. So in the yesterday demo session, right? We had a demo session yesterday. Just I'll take 2 minutes what we have discussed in the last class. So who is a data analyst? Data analyst roles and responsibilities, the skills required, types of data analysts, tools for data analysts, data analyst roadmap and future scope and job market of data analyst, right? This is 1 second. Yes. Who is a data analyst? Who is a data analyst means a professional who collects the data, he cleans the data and analyzes data and presents the data. Data analysts use their findings to create reports and suggest conclusions. Right. So the roles and responsibilities, right? Yes. Collecting data, data analyst roles and responsibilities, right? The mainly like collecting data, cleaning data, analyzing data, interpreting the data and presenting their findings, generating reports, troubleshooting and optimize the performance. So collect data, identify the data, collect the information from the various sources like websites, surveys, financial data or from experiments. Removing errors and inconsistent data. Removing errors and inconsistent data. Analyzing data, use statistical methods, programming language, data visualization tools for analyzing this data, interpretation, drawing conclusions from the data, presenting the findings, creating charts, graphs, and other visuals, generating reports, create reports that summarizes the findings, creating reports, presentations, dashboards, troubleshooting, right, identify and fixing the issues with the data. And also optimizing the performance, right? Improving the efficiency of the system. Yes. Data analyst roadmap. Tools for data analyst, right? Tools for data analyst. We are going to deal with Python, MySQL, that is MyExcel, Microsoft Excel, MySQL, Power BI, statistics, EDA, exploratory data analysis, and ChatGPT. Yes, before I go with this, right? Yes. Okay. So here, these are the tools, right? Python, MS Excel, MySQL, Power BI, statistics, EDA, and Java. So all these tools to become a successful data analyst, right? So this course take you from the beginner to this advanced level, right? Proficient data analyst with the knowledge and practical experience to need to excel in this field, right? Yes. So mainly, right? The pillars, the main pillars of this data analysis. This first four, the main pillars, right? Python, MS Excel, SQL, Power BI. Gaining proficiency in this Excel, MySQL, Power BI, and Python, right? Yes. The essential skills and knowledges, right? Yes. Excel, right? Mastering this Excel, the industry standard spreadsheet software, the industry standard spreadsheet software, like how to manipulate the data, perform calculations, manipulating the data, perform calculations, perform calculations, create visualizations. Here also you'll be learning about learning Excel for data cleaning. You've got many manipulation methods, sorting, conditional filtering, many formulas, functions, graphs, charts. Yes, lot of things you do, right? Yes. So it's learning Excel for this advanced analysis in even like pivot tables and charts, data analysis, right? Statistical analysis and interactive dashboards. And also like SQL, MySQL, okay. SQL is a language, right? Followed by all the databases and querying and manipulating, querying and manipulating data stored in relational databases. Yes. Querying and manipulating data stored in relational database. Extracting relevant information, right? Using SQL commands. Using SQL commands. Perform data joins. Perform data joins. Aggregations. Groupings. Optimize queries. So this MySQL, right? For manipulation of tables, columns, constraints, indexes, null values, filtering, joining. Okay. If you see this Python, powerful programming language, powerful programming language for data analysis, especially for data analysis. Now, don't see anything related with data. Python is the mostly chosen programming language for data science or data analyst, for data engineering, right? For all this, Python is the prerequisites, right? Python is required. So it's one of the powerful programming language for data analysis. It has got modules. Discovering Python libraries. discovering Python libraries like numerical Python, right? NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib for plotting and visualizations, different types of graphs, normal graphs, bar graphs, histograms, scatter plots, stack plots. For advanced data analysis. For advanced data analysis. So if we talk like this NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, the main Python libraries, right? We have got thousands of libraries for Python. Thousands of libraries for Python. For example, if you have got knowledge on this NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, lot of jobs are available only on these three modules. Check it. Open Chrome. Just you can see on these Python models like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Jobs on this. 29,000 Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib job vacancies. 39,000 Pandas job vacancies. Right? The people have knowledge on this NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Thousands of jobs, 39,000 job vacancies in January 2025. Right? So this important modules of Python, right? Python has got 89,300 modules available for different environments for data science, for this data analysis, right? So like many modules even for data science environment. NumPy, CP, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow. In this way, many are there for this. So among this here, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. This is for plotting different graphs. And NumPy for numerical Python for linear algebra. And Pandas, right? Lot of data manipulations you can do for using this Pandas module for advanced data analysis, right? And also total implementation goes in Python. You need to have the strong fundamentals on this Python basics, like the data types, variables, especially collections, lists, dictionaries, tuples, sets, data frames, right? Especially in Pandas, you will see the concept of data frames, sets, loops, functions, functional programming, right? Yes. So in brief, in depth, you will be getting knowledge on this Python. So here you will be mastering Python. Mastering Python for data cleaning, data manipulation, data analysis, data transformation, and data pre-processing. Data pre-processing for all this. For exploratory data analysis, for statistical analysis, right? Yes. Okay. Coming to this Power BI. A leading business analytics tool. Analytics tool. So this will allow you to connect with different various data sources. Different data sources, which allows to connect with the different data sources. Transforms raw data, transforms raw data into meaningful insights. Meaningful insights. Create interactive dashboards and reports. Create interactive dashboards and reports. Utilizing Power Query. You have got Power Query in this for data cleaning, and transformation. Informative charts and dashboards. For data manipulation, for data manipulation and data analysis. So here you will create like amazing dashboards and that the Power BI to create professional, informative, and amazing dashboards that tell story about your data and the insights. So here I was talking about the CDA in the last class, right? Exploratory data analysis. It is a key step in data analysis. Key step focusing on understanding the patterns, trends, and relationship through statistical tools and visualizations. So here, exploratory data analysis, generating for modeling and analysis. Key steps. What are the key steps, right? The key steps here. EDA. Key steps in EDA. Here, okay, otherwise you can say here you have got analyzing like univariate, bivariate, and multivariate analysis. Univariate analysis, bivariate analysis, I doesn't want to go into technicals as of now, but here it involves reading data sets, analyzing the data, checking for any duplications, missing values calculations, analyzing the data sets, right? Yes. So here 50% of these companies, they're using BI tools. So this like Power BI, right? And many companies are opting BI tools into their systems, and especially like intelligence BI tools for building business intelligence reports. Yeah. Even if you see the future scope, if you talk about the future scope of this, right? Check this. Millions of companies are generating data on a daily basis and using it crucial decision, that is business decisions, an excellent choice to start your career, becoming a data analyst, offering a that is a promising career, right, and high demand. And you may ask why I need to go with this data analyst, right? 1 second. Why data analyst? Why you need to choose this data analyst career? Why data analyst? Why data analyst? Because today, due to its high demand, today there is a lot of demand for this data analyst. So high demand in this, for example, various organizations, marketing, e-commerce, healthcare, finance. In this way, many more, right? So here, due to its high demand, and this requires data specialist, right here. And also, secondly, why you need to go for data analyst? Even people looking for good salary packages, good pay packages. As compared with other technologies, right? Even this data analyst has got huge packages, and also like various career paths. Work in various fields. Work in various fields. Business intelligence, social media, sports, sports analytics, right? So as I was discussing about where various career paths means, one second. So here I was talking types of data analyst, business intelligence analyst, financial analyst, yes, healthcare data analyst, marketing analyst, operational analyst, sports analyst, crime analyst, environment data analyst, social media analyst, and economic analyst. Different types of analyst, right? Types of one second. So here, if we talk, you can work in different fields. Talk about this business intelligence analyst for insights, decisions, performance improvements for all these things, right? Business intelligence analyst for decision and for performance improvement and for insights. Financial analysts for budgeting, for investments, for market trends analysis, right? Healthcare analysts for the patient outcomes, of operational optimization, medical research, marketing analysis, right? For campaigning, for consumer behavior, customer behavior, user preferences, market trends, for all this. Operations analyst, right? Working with this, analyzing this operational data, reducing the cost, enhancing the efficiency. In sports analysis, right? Performance evaluation of the players and the strategy improvements and the player assessments, team assessments, crime analysts, right? Identification, the pattern identifications, crime pattern identifications, right? And environmental, right? For ecological trends, for climate patterns, social media analysts, user behavior understanding, marketing strategies, right? economic analysts for trend understanding, economic conditions, right? Understanding policy insights. So this way, in this way, you can work on different fields. So mainly like for high demand, why you need to go for data analyst like high demand today. So required the high requirement for this data analyst, and also with higher huge packages and various career paths you can see, right? Yeah. So as I said, the tools that we are going to discuss and observe this is the course content. So first starting with you need to have good fundamentals on this Python. So first model is Python programming, later coming to that Excel, later Power BI, MySQL, and the statistical analysis, exploratory analysis, ChatGPT, and prod. Okay, Python basics, Python operations, IDs, working with this Python first. See that in brief about all each and every module. So this is all related to Python. You can just have a look, right? Pandas module in brief, NumPy module in brief, Matplotlib, right? We're generating different types of graphs. And also working with this Excel, right? Introduction to Excel, logical functions, referring data from different tables, advanced functions, text functions, okay, data visualizations, data summarizations, data connecting to data, Power Query, right? VBA and macros, introduction to MySQL, SQL. See, coming to this MySQL database also in brief, we'll be discussing about all this, right? And Power BI, and just to go through this content, right? It's modeling with Power BI, Power Query editor, filter data. Yes. Exploratory statistical data analysis, descriptive statistics, inferential, central tendency, right? Sampling distributions, types of samplings, use of correlations, exploratory data analysis, and ChatGPT. And also said we'll be discussing with some projects related to different domains like healthcare, finance, natural analytics, energy, aviation, and e-commerce, right? Yeah. So this is the life cycle, data collections, data preparations, insight generation, and dashboard building, right? Yes. Yes. So this is in brief, in depth, we'll be learning about all these things. So you can see that you can check in this Google also, right? A lot of jobs for data analyst today with higher packages. And also you can, you can go with the different analysts, right? You have got different career paths here, choosing the career paths. I can see in the chart panel, right? Yes, sir. So from tomorrow, we'll go with this actual thing, starting with Python first, starting with Python, right? Uh, Tomorrow, the link will be changing. You are supposed to get enrolled. Okay, from tomorrow, we'll be starting with the things, right? In brief, about each and every components, the tools I said. Power BI in brief, and this Excel in brief, Microsoft Excel, Python in brief, MySQL, and this Chat GPT. These are the tools we'll be discussing one by one, right? Yeah. Any queries from your side? So tomorrow the link will be changing to get the link. So as I said, check with this. You'll be getting the recorded sessions of each and everything, right? So you'll be getting the session videos of each and every session and a soft copy of the class notes, in assignments and tasks to work with, and a WhatsApp group for technical discussions, interview questions. Yes. Timing of this batch, same timing at 8 a.m. The duration will be around 3 to 3.5 months, right? 3.5 months for all these components, right? Each one takes nearly like 20, 25 days, 20 days, right? Minimum. Each component takes. Yes. 1 second. Okay. Any other queries from your side, anyone? You can check, right? Tomorrow the link will be changing. You can check. You'll be getting a mail. You can discuss with the online team, right? From tomorrow onwards, you'll be getting that videos to your Google Drive, notes to your mail ID. Yes. And you'll be tomorrow from tomorrow you'll be added to the WhatsApp. Fine.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Sir, actually, I'm a Java developer. I have almost 3 years of experience,
Mhm,
but I feel very hectic in Java, so I want to change for data analyst.
mhm, mhm,
So, when can I expect the job openings? Uh, I should apply in Naukri portal and all, right?
mhm.
So, when can I expect the more job openings? In which uh, month of duration?
See this anything related to the data courses, right, has got great demand today. Data
Mhm.
analyst, data engineering, data science has got the great demand with huge packages, salary packages. The only thing you need to have the technical skills, right? Good technical
Yes.
knowledge, so you can get through that interview process, right? So what all we'll be discussing, they'll be expecting that knowledge, right? So even they'll be providing huge packages. So with those knowledge, you can attend the interviews and get through the interviews. And that too, we'll be discussing everything in brief with multiple examples, working examples, right? Yes. So you'll be understand. So all the sessions will be interactive sessions. Any queries, anything you can directly ask during the sessions, or you can type in the chat panel, right? Fine. So everything
Oh,
in the initial 2, 3, like 2, 3 days, it will be like but everything after that, everything will be practical oriented. There won't be any theory at all, right? Everything I'll be typing and showing you step by step.
okay,
Whatever
sir.
the installations, everything also step by step I'll be showing you, and how to run this in different environments, right? I'll be showing.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay. So tomorrow the link will be changing. Try to get enrolled. We're getting the link to your mail, right? Yes. Fine. So I'm stopping for now. We'll continue tomorrow. Right. Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.